going through these are going to be so much fun.
Yeah. I mean, this part is woodpecker fluttering,
Beautiful. This one you might want to add a little bit of light to her. I went up to +1 because it's a little underlit right now.
Male cardinal in the tree.
She's jumping. Kind of fun. Jumping for joy because she knows she's going to get a bath. She's going to do the same if you get her when she's looking up, not when all those brush or whatchamacallit,
Bubbles?
drops.
Yeah.
Droplets.
You want to be shooting fast.
What does she have?
Correct. Oh, look at her now. Oh my God. Long-billed thrasher on the lantana. The lantana's going to be going away soon.
That's so great. Bathing summer tanager. That's great. Okay.
Yeah, the female.
There's a female bunting,
Bunting.
right behind.
Oh yeah.
Sorry, I lost my words.
Good, we just-
Well,
Woodpecker fluttering, trying to get some food.
Thrasher coming in. Vertical's great. I'm putting a lot of the green pond in there.
Yeah.
Wind's blowing the surface a little bit. Female coming in. F9. Let's see if they'll drink. Nope.
That-
Female white drinking.
Hey, wait a second. What was that? Long-billed thrasher. Okay.
Sure.
Oh, that cardinal's getting.
It's just going off. We've got a female Pherodoxia on our barrel cactus and a male coming in, 2 male Pherodoxias, so I'm going to focus on the Pherodoxia and hope for fireworks. It's very, very sunny, so I'm up at 6,000 right now because I can.
Yeah.
Turkey's coming back.
Oh no.
Oh yay, our favorite. So that woodpecker drinking is really pretty. You can get.
You know, I was at 4,000 and it is not fast enough